were with us last week, you saw that we are working on canning some meals for winter and for emergency quick heat and meat things, just to make life a little bit easier and to be a little bit more prepared. We're still at it. Actually, it's still the same day for us, but for sake of ease, if you're wanting to try these recipes, I'm splitting it up into 3 different ones if you haven't figured that out yet. So we just actually took our Cajun beans out of this canner. We're going to scooch it to the side and get started on our third recipe, which is
white chicken chili?
White chicken chili! As you see, just like with the other recipes, we have prepped most of our veggies and things ahead of time. So they are already chopped up and ready to go. We are doing a mix of shredded rabbit and shredded chicken for this because that's what I had in the freezer. So that's what we're using. And once again, the beans have been soaking overnight and that's what we're gonna start with.
And this chicken is already cooked, so we're ready to go.
Yep. Once again, we're starting with draining the soaking water from our beans. In this case, we're using white northern instead of kidney. Okay, our beans, once drained, are now in a stock pot and they're just covered with fresh water. We're not going to be cooking these for the 30 minutes like we did with the kidney beans. I don't know, maybe. I guess great northern beans cook faster than kidney beans. So we are just going to bring these to a boil and then drain them again. All right, the beans have boiled. Time to drain them off. Our beans have been drained again. To that, we're going to add 2 pounds of our already cooked and shredded chicken and rabbit. 12 cups of chicken broth, which we also prepped last night by putting a couple chicken carcasses in the crock pot overnight to make us some bone broth here. 4 cups of onions, 1.5 cups of bell peppers, 4 cups of corn, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, tablespoon cumin, tablespoon of oregano. It'd be a lot easier to cook the lid off. Who does easy? Why do easy when you can take longer? And a teaspoon of thyme. That'll give it a nice kick. Although, if I were to make it again, I might replace some of the bell peppers with chili peppers instead of doing the large amount of cayenne. Okay, now we're going to bring this to a boil, but then we're going to turn it down. We're just going to simmer it for about 5 minutes to make sure it's heated all the way through. And put it in jars. So this one's a lot faster than the first two we did. Like I did with the red beans, the Cajun red beans, I'm going to mostly fill this with solids first and then come back and top off with the liquid. And I'll probably make a grand mess doing that. We're looking for a 1-inch head space here. Now, if you are a fan of white chicken chili, which I absolutely am, I like my white chicken chili to be really creamy and rich and hearty, but dairy is one of those items on the do not can list. So, what that means for this dish is, this is going to be your base. And when you heat it up and you're ready to eat it, stick it in a saucepan, heat it through for about 5 minutes, and then at that point, you can add your cream or any thickeners that you may want to kind of make it your own. Now we just wait for it to come up to heat, and when it's boiling and there's steam coming out of the vent, we'll wait 10 minutes before putting the weight on at 10 pounds of pressure. And then when it starts making noise, we will start our cooking time for 90 minutes to the quart jars. If you're only using pint jars, it will be 70 minutes. Excuse the wardrobe change. Back to dinner while this was cooling off and releasing pressure. So now it's ready to be opened and jars put over to cool until tomorrow. If you can see this is what happens if you put the rims on too tight. The lid buckles. Oftentimes it'll still snap back down and seal, but not always. Not too bad for a day's work, eh? We do still have one more recipe that we were wanting to do, but we will not get to it until tomorrow, which we will show you next week, and that's going to be a rabbit stew. So you should be sure to come back next week to catch that one.